And now really when we are in this step before of this electric converter removal, we have to take this upper areas, this plastic cover out, and it happens so that there are inside areas in here, there are these plastic these bolts, and when we pull out that I can show this that how we take this out. I need my pliers, need that kind of pliers, and when I install my pliers in here, I can lift up these plastic screws. They look like that. And I have to take all of these out using my pliers, and after that I can take my cover box away, and also I have to take also away these windshield fibers, and let's go to check also these parts removal. Now we have task to remove the Toyota Prius windshield fibers, and we need now flathead screwdriver that I can open this cap hatch in here, and we can go to look closer. Okay, and there is really flathead screwdriver, and when I carefully bend that, I can open this cover, and then I need 14mm socket because there is this inside bolt in here. Okay, and here is my 14mm socket, and using that device there is the special bolt, and after that I only move this my hand in here in that way, and then carefully I move that in this way, and then viper arm is free, and I take both arms away in that way. Okay, and now both of these viper arms are removed, and remember that they are unique, this left side and right side arm. But remember to install this shorter in here and longer in this passenger side, and after that we can continue this disassembly in that area. Okay, and now when bonnet is free, I can start to take these plastic parts away, so that carefully I move this. I move that little bit. I move this direction and in that direction, and now this part opens. Nice, and then we go in that area. Then when we are in here, and in that position there are these plastic screws in this side area, and I need my pliers, and when I pull out in that way, then this plastic pliers opens, and then this black box, sorry, this cover opens, and now there is this full system is free. Excellent. And then our next step is to remove the steel cover, and there is now these 10mm screws in this side area, and I have to take now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts away, and I will show that what is the idea. There is these bolts, and next I take my screwdriver. Okay, and we need socket 10mm, and there are those 7 of these small bolts, and when I have removed this all, this steel bar opens nicely. This part is free, and then we go in a little bit that central area in here, and there we can see next bolt. Good. Now this part starts to move, and also there is this central socket fuse box, and there is 2 10mm bolts in here, and I have to remove these and that one. And now this relay box is free, and we go in that side area in here, and then how I replace this Toyota Prius windshield wiper motor, and there is this motor, and I will need now 10mm socket in here that I can take these bolts away in here. There is one special bolt, and then we go into that area in here. And there is next bolt. That one. And then I need to only lift up this device in this way, nice engineering. And final part is to take this connector away. That connector in here, press and pull out, and now windshield wiper motor is free. And there is this product code, maker is Denso and made to last 20 years. Excellent engineering. This is like masterpiece. And here. And my job continues. There is next 10mm bolt, and in here is next, and here is next, and that area. Good. And now everything looks good. I have to release that connector, and now I can lift that whole part, the steel console away in here. Look, very nice. And now this step is ready.